Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay, there's the Silverado. It's going back together. I've got the fuel pump put in it, the toolbox back in it. I'll show you how there's that's door trim that I used, but it's good and solid, makes it good and solid. As far as that goes, I decided I'm putting in that 3/4 inch plywood down in here, and it's going to go between the wheel wells, between that wheel well and this one. So therefore, as you can see, well, maybe you can't, but that is inside the wheel wells. So I figured, you know what, I'm not even covered up. I'm just going to put the 3/4 inch plywood in anyway, and it's staying in the truck, so that'll work. But I got that all patched back together. This patch didn't turn out great. 3 out of the 4 stayed down. I'll hit that with a hammer before I put the plywood back in. And I got the toolbox back in it. So anyway, that's what I was doing. Let's see. I did shoot videos of me. Yeah, I did shoot videos of me doing actually putting in the oh great, actually putting in the fuel pump, but they were long and not spectacular. But I don't know, I still haven't decided whether I'm gonna post them or not. But son of a, that's about right. Ouch. Is it still recording? Yeah, I think it's still recording. Okay. Anyways, I did record putting the fuel tank in, or the fuel pump in, but it wasn't easy. It wasn't a pleasant experience. So anyway, I'm getting ready to put the plywood in now. Let me just quick give that a love tap. Love tap. Now throw the door open and throw the plywood in. Like if it's recorded it, I should be able to just leave the hole, but I did use the trim between. I had some trim that went between the carpeting and hardwood floors, snap together wood floors. They go underneath your doorways. That's what that is. That's got it held down good and solid. Anyway, I'm getting her put back together now. Man, it's blindingly bright out there. Okay. So, 3/4 inch plywood. Fixing to go back in the truck. Which will be cover up that hole nicely. Ouch. Yeah. Up. Like a glove. Now I carry the spare tire in the back of the truck because it's putting it behind under the truck wasn't an option anymore. And even if it was, I want to be able to get to it easily. So that way, if I'm got to change a spare, I can do it quickly. I don't have to get it. Okay. Spare tire don't fit under there anymore. That's great. it. Okay. I'm trying to get it to fit under the toolbox like it used to. But I don't think it will anymore because I got 3/4 inch clearance taller now. And I just aired it up. So, because it was over there. So she's close, but oh yeah, look at that. So squirm right under there. Yep, there we go. Like a glove. All right. Okay. Close the toolbox. And then I got I still have, let's see. Ouch. Yeah, the footwell fuel pump, there was 2 of them I shot, and they were long and boring and everything else. Let me clamp you down at this end of the truck. Kind of point you that general direction. See? Can't even tell I ever hacked the hole in the floor. Yeah. All right, now there's the bottom of the toolbox. I keep some 4x4s back here for putting on my jack because I got an actual little baby floor jack to keep behind the seat. It's only about this long. Comes in a case, but it makes it a lot easier. You can just slap these up there than jacking up. Get tire off of it a lot faster. Slide them in there, and there they be. Okay. So, just to prove to you one more time, it does run. Alrighty. Fuel pump. That's fuel pump your here and there. Fuel gauge even works. But yeah, as far as goes, those other videos go where I was actually doing the fuel pump. I don't know if I'm going to post them or not because they were long and boring and, you know, that kind of stuff. So anyway, but she's back up and running now. So just thought I would post a video. This is probably the video I'll post. The other ones, like I said, were long and boring, and you already know how I took it out if you watch that video. And so you can see how I put it back together, and it went back together the same way it came apart, except for I had to wire a pigtail that came with it, because for some reason on these Chevys, hang on a minute. Here's a pigtail. This pump actually is still good. It came out of a GMC Astrovan, and I saved it in case I needed it for something. But for some reason, this, I don't know if you can see it or not, this right here plug is flat, but on the truck, when you get them, the factory one is square. And why they didn't make it match, I don't know. but they include the pigtail and everything. You can see that when they put this new one in, you can see they had to match the wires. Purple to purple, gray to gray, black to black, black with a white, gray stripe to black with a white stripe. Okay, in my particular case, I had a gray one, I had a black one, a purple one, and they all matched on the new end, on the new end that I put in there. Okay, the only one that didn't match was I had a orange with a black stripe on the truck, and I had a black with an orange stripe on the new connector. So it wasn't rocket scientist on how to figure. And it comes with a piece of paper showing you how to do it. But I saved this pump because it came out of it was a new one that they had put in there before I got the van. So I went ahead and, because I had a all-wheel drive, yeah, I think it was a Ferrari. Ferrari, yeah, that's what it was. It was a GMC Safari all-wheel drive minivan that I had picked up for a little nothing, and it ran. I ran the crap out of that for like 2 years before it finally took a crap on me. So, and it was so far gone, it wasn't worth soaking the money into. So when I scrapped it, I saved all the light bulbs, I saved all the fuses, I saved the new fuel pump that they had put in it right before I got it. You know, all that kind of stuff. I even saved the factory tires and rims, which worked out good because my cousin had a trailer that had the old school 5-bolt Chevy, and so I wound up giving them to him, and that worked out good. So anyway, Second Chance Garage, Uncle Russ, I'm out. Gonna do happy dance that the truck's done. Because I'm tired of freezing my butt off, I'm just telling you. So Uncle Russ out.